Picture this. It's 2 a.m. and your phone buzzes with a message from your friend asking for packing tips. You glance at your bathroom shelf, a chaotic mess of half-used products and clutter. Sound familiar? You're not alone. We've all been there, feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of products and the limited space to store them. But hang tight. Today, I'm sharing some game-changing organization hacks that will help you transform that chaos into zen. So, let's dive in. You might think that organizing your toiletries and makeup is just a matter of buying more containers, right? Wrong. Let me tell you about my friend Sarah. She spent a fortune on fancy storage solutions, but still found herself digging through a pile of products every morning. The truth is, many of us are making the same mistake, overcomplicating a simple task. It's about smart organization, not just pretty containers. Let's get real about the common pitfalls. First up, let's talk about vertical storage. Imagine your bathroom or dresser, where every inch counts. Instead of cramming everything into drawers, utilize wall space. Install floating shelves or use over-the-door organizers. I once visited a friend's tiny apartment, and her vertical shelf system blew my mind. She had her skincare products lined up beautifully, and it saved so much space. When you think vertically, you'll find you have a lot more room than you realized. Next, let's get crafty with magnetic storage. This one is a game changer. Use adhesive magnetic strips to keep your makeup tools and small products organized. I remember when I tried this with my makeup brushes. I mounted a magnetic strip on the wall, and suddenly, my brushes were not only accessible, but also looked stunning on display. It's a simple, yet stylish way to keep your essentials at your fingertips. Don't underestimate the power of repurposing. Take a look around your home. You might have items that can serve multiple purposes. For example, an old drawer can become a chic organizer for your makeup. Or why not use a few mason jars to hold cotton balls, Q-tips, and other small items? I once saw someone transform an old shoe organizer into a stunning makeup station, and it was genius. Get creative and think outside the box. Now let's get real for a moment. I've seen this destroy people, the habit of overpacking. It's tempting to bring every product you own, but here's the brutal truth. You don't need half of what you think you do. The moment of clarity came to me on a trip where I packed a full-size shampoo, only to realize I had no space for anything else. It's time to rethink your essentials and streamline your collection. You'll thank yourself later. So here's your action plan. First, take a hard look at your current products and declutter. Keep only what you truly use